Mapagpalang umaga, Ma'am Jimsy, and to all Black Sea. So today we will talk about the private security guards. So sa first topic today is the duty detail order. So the duty detail order is refers to a written order schedule assignment issued to a security guard and other private security personnel by a superior officer. So the duty detail order format specifies the guards' names, the designations, places, and times of duty, firearms information, and specific instructions about carrying firearms on and off duty. So, ito yung documents na kung saan nandyan ang pangalan ng security guards. Nandyan rin yung baril, kung anong baril yung gamit niya, anong scope ng trabaho, at kung ano yung oras or schedule ng kanyang trabaho at lugar, pati na rin ang serial number ng kanyang baril. Ito ang documents na dapat laging dala-dala ng security guards. So, dumako naman tayo sa 11 general orders ng private security guards. So, yung first is to take charge of the post and all company property in view and protect or preserve the same utmost diligence. So yung mga gwardiya ay buong husay niyang inaalagaan or binabantayan yung lugar kung saan siya nagtatrabaho or yung mga ari-arian ng kanyang binabantayan. So yung pangalawang general orders naman is to walk in an alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. So lumakad ng laging handa at magmasid na makinig ng mabuti sa anumang mangyari sa paligid. So dapat yung mga security guards ay dapat alerto kung yung mga possible na pwedeng mangyari na gulo or may mga possible na incident na pwedeng mangyari sa kanyang trabaho. So yung pangatlo is to report all violations of regulations or orders I am instructed to enforce. Dapat yung mga ginagawa niya everyday, dapat nire-report niya ito or sinusulat niya sa kanilang mga logbook, ganon. Or kung ano man yung inutos ay dapat nire-report ni security guard. To relay all calls from more distant from the guard house where I am stationed. So, yung mga calls dapat na personal calls niya, dapat hindi niya dinadala sa station. Kumbaga kung may tawag man siya na personal, pwede siyang lumayo sa station niya at sagutin yung calls na kanyang yung personal calls na kanyang sasagutin. So yung panglima naman is to quit my post only when properly relieved. So yung mga security guards guys, bago sila umalis, kailangan hintayin muna nila yung ka-turnover nila para nang sa gayon alam nila na may magti-take charge sa kanilang station. So number 6 naman, to receive, obey, and pass to be relieving guard all orders from the company of officers or officials, supervisors, post in charge of shift leader. So lahat ng information or nalaman ni security guards nung siya ay nag-duty, yung magta-turn over sa kanya, kailangan din niyang sabihin yung information na kanyang natanggap or nalaman bago siya umalis. Kailangan ma-turn over muna niya ng all informations na kanyang natanggap. So number 8, to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. So to sound or call alarm. So in case na may mga sunog, ganon, or may mga alarming na nangyayari sa pinagtatrabuhan niya, dapat lagi siyang magbigay ng mga babala sa mga tao doon. So number 9, to call the superior officer in any case not covered by the instruction. So kapag may mga problema na hindi naman nila kayang resolbahan, kailangan na nilang tawagin yung nakakataas na official or yung kanilang superior or yung leader. So number 10, to salute all company officials, superiors in the agency ranking, public officials and officers of the PNP. So masaludo yung mga security guards sa mga matataas may mga matataas na rank or yung mga kanilang leaders or yung mga officials na kanilang nakakasalubong, kasi yung pagkasaludo guys, it is showing the respect to them. So number 11, to be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons or near my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority. So kailangan sa gabi ay mahigpit na pagbabanta yung kailangan, at huwag papahintulutan yung mga tao na pumasok sa isang property without permission or without the proper permission na galing sa authority. So that's all about that duty detail order and the 11 general orders.
My name is Manalo Jude Angelo M. B. Scream 3C. And this is my report in Leia. General functions of security guards. Number 1, enforce company rules and regulations. So number 1 is, general function ng security guard is sila ang responsible sa pagpapatupad ng mga patakaran at regulations ng isang kumpanya para masiguro ang seguridad ng isang kumpanya. Number 2, operate and enforce the personal identification system. Number 2 function is sila ay responsible sa pagpapatakbo at pagpapatupad ng sistema para sa pagkakakilanlan ng isang tauhan. Number 3, patrol and observe designated areas, perimeter, structures, installation. Yung security guards daw is also na nagpapatrol and responsible para obserbahan ang mga itinalagang lugar sa kanila, perimeter, structures like government projects, and mga installations like mga security cameras and other security, etc. Number 4, take into custody a person attempting or giving unauthorized access in restricted, limited, and controlled areas. Yung mga security guards daw ay may karapatan na ipunta sa custody ang sino man na mag-attempt or magbigay ng unauthorized access sa mga tao para makapasok sa restricted, limited, or controlled area. Number 5, check rooms, buildings, storage rooms of security guards' interest, and after working hours, check proper locking of doors and gates. After working hours daw is dapat na ma-check ng security guards na tama at proper ang pagkakasara ng mga doors and gates ng mga check rooms, buildings, storage rooms, and ng storage rooms ng security interest. Number 6, perform escort duties when required. Dito is dapat na mag-perform ng escort duties ang mga security guard sa mga taong may mataas na posisyon sa isang kumpanya. For example is dapat na mabantayan na maayos ang isang high-ranking official para sa kanyang seguridad at kaligtasan. Number 7, respond to alarm signals or other indications, suspicious activities, and emergencies. Dito is, isa pang function ng security guard is dapat na alerto sila sa pagresponde sa mga alarm signals at mga hinalang activities and emergencies. Number 8, safeguard equipment and material against sabotage, unauthorized access, loss, theft, or damage. Dito, sila ay responsable sa pagbabantay ng mga equipment and materials ng isang kumpanya para makaiwas sa sabotage, mga unauthorized access ng iba't ibang tao, pagkanakaw at posibleng damages sa mga equipments and materials. Number 9, act quickly in situations affecting the security of installation and personnel to fire accidents, internal disorder, attempts to commit criminal acts. So, dito is dapat na maging alerto sila sa mga banta ng panganib na pwedeng makaapekto sa security installation and mga personnel like fire accidents and mga attempts to commit criminal acts. Number 10, control and regulate vehicle and personnel traffic within the compound as well as parking of vehicle. Dito naman is sila ang nag-control at nag-regulate sa mga personal traffic within the compound, kasama na ang pagpapark ng mga sasakyan, mga like illegal parking, ganon. Yung mga violation sa pagpaparking. Number 11, last, other duties that is necessary in the security guard protection. So, dito sa last is, kasama na dito yung yung mga hindi na isama dito sa report ko, yung mga other necessary functions of security guards protection.
Uniform of security guards. The history of security guard uniforms muna tayo, guys. The history of security guard uniforms can be traced back to the earliest days of security, when they were used to protect military personnel from the other elements and other dangers. The use of security uniform has varied greatly over time, but some constant have remained, such as the need for protection and specialized task or mission. In the earliest day daw, ginamit nila yung uniform ng mga security guards para protektahan yung mga military personnel and para sa pagkakakilanlan nila and sa mga iba pang panganib na pwede nilang ikapahamak if ever na magkatulad yung uniform nila sa mga military personnels. Security uniforms have evolved over the time and are now used in a variety of settings. The type of uniform a security guard wears can be depend on the facility they work and their responsibility and the time of year. Yung mga security uniforms ng ating mga security guards, which is nag-i-evolve din habang tumatagal, and paiba-iba din sila ng mga uniform and kung saan sila nagtatrabaho, like kung saan silang agencies, kung ano yung mga dapat nilang isuot, like that. Pero sa atin kasi, most of the time yung mga security guards na nakikita natin yung mga uniform nila, which is white, di ba? And hindi na, parang karaniwan na yun sa atin na nakikita yung white uniform ng mga security guards sa mga malls, ganon, and iba pang mga facilities. Security uniforms serve several purposes including protection. Uniforms protect security guards from physical threats. Visibility. Yung mga uniforms ng security guards din natin ay parang visibility din nila. Uniforms help security guards blend into the night and enhance their visibility. Professionalism. Uniforms establish professionalism and authority and help create a safer environment. Here's some example of security guard proper uniform, guys. And yung cap naman nila, yung cap nila, which is yung cap device, Persian cap, dapat din naka-proper haircut sila. And sa naman, sleeve nila, which is yung white. Sa bandang dito nila, which is yung nandun sa kanila, yung padpaw patch, collar pin, security guard badge, yung andito nila, agency patch dito din sa kabila, agency name cloth, and white whistle, yung whistle nila. Tsaka necktie nila syempre. White long sleeve, name cloth, agency ID, and security license card dapat andun din sa kanila. And yung holster nila, which is yung parang pocket nila, and syempre yung nightstick with holder, and yung bakal nila. Sa slacks naman, long pants na navy blue, and sa shoes, which is karaniwan naman, which is black shoes, and dapat yung slacks size naman nila, which is 28 or 48 or depende din sa height nila. And yun naman po yung mga security guard proper uniform na diniscuss ko, and thank you po.